Today on Wrenching on the YJ, we're going to replace these factory, what are these called? Factory fender flares with an upgraded set of these bad boys. Now that there is going to give us a lot more clearance, especially in the front and back there. And it's going to make it look a lot better. It's going to make it look a little bit wider. It's just going to make it look a lot more mean. Let's get to it.
This here's Wheels and Wrenching. Whiskey, Wheels and Wrenching. And this here's Jim Bob. Right now you're watching Whiskey, Wheels and Wrenching.
Now the first thing we want to do is get these lights out because they're going to go into new ones. You got to reach up behind there, twist, pull the little bulb light socket thingy out of there. Then there's just two Phillips screws. Pull the assembly out. Now using an 8mm socket, you gotta go ahead and get these things off. There's screws up in here, and they're a little tricky to get at sometimes. One down, a bunch more to go. Alright, got the first side off, as you can see. Not gonna lie, that sucks. It's not fun to do. So, get the other side off, and then start putting the new ones on. Alright, now that these flares are off, I'm gonna go ahead and wax these down, just because it's gonna keep this, what's underneath here, a little bit more protected. I'm gonna use this new finish, the once-a-year car polish. No buffing, no rubbing. I don't know, I've used it before, it works alright. So let's put some of that on there. Once you get it all wiped on and it starts to turn white like that, now all you gotta do is take it back off. Make sure you let it sit for a little bit. And make sure you use enough that it gets white like that. Because that way, it comes off a lot easier. Oh, and a pro tip. Make sure that your vehicle is dry. Because if it's wet and you try to put wax on, it kind of sucks. So don't do that. Now that the fender flares are all off, and the fenders have been waxed, that way there's a little bit of a protective coating under there. Sorry, just finished lunch. Now it's time to figure out how to put these new ones on. Not much in the way of directions. Alright, step 1, remove the front and rear factory flares. I already did that, so we're ahead of the game. Step 2. Install rubber trim on new flares. So this is your rubber trim. This is a new flare. That goes against the body, so it goes against that side. All right, looks pretty simple. Just take this. It's got a little slit in it right there. Then you drop it a couple times because you're trying to rush around and do too many things at once. And you just fit it right over the lip. And then once you're done, there's a little bit of that red double-sided tape in there. You're going to pull that little red piece of plastic out of there so it adheres to the plastic. And this is going to keep it from rubbing against the paint on the Jeep. Keep your paint looking better and lasting longer. That's it. 3 more to go. Now that we got all those done, we got these 2 little pieces here, and that's all the rubber trim we got left. So, where's it? I didn't know. Maybe you don't need any trim. Maybe not, because this is rounded here. I think it goes up against her like that. No, you don't need any trim for that. Never mind. Alright, now you gotta hold this fender up here, and you gotta line it up. This hole right here, almost hit myself in my head, with, is that the bigger one? Yeah, the center one here, with your hole for your turn signal there. So that hole is the most important. Once you get that lined up, then you want to kind of drop it down so it looks like it's right. That edge right there seems pretty close. Then you're going to have somebody come in and hold it because you can't hold the damn thing yourself. Hold that. Got it?
Yeah.
And then you got to take a marker here, paint marker thingy, shit coming out of it. And you got to mark all your holes because you got to drill every one out. And then you make a mess in the process.
Yeah, I think you better get a new marker.
Hopefully this stuff comes out. Move it.
That won't fix paint.
Nope, that didn't work for shit.
Get a new marker.
That's garbage. We're going to try that again, except this time we're going to use a drill bit to mark the holes because we got paint all over the damn place. Close enough.
The other one's just off.
Battery's dead. Broke a fucking bit. I'm very good at breaking bits. Pisses me off every time. Alright, so we got 4 pieces here that have to go on to hold this thing in place. We got our screw, we got one of these plastic washers that has a little lip thing on it. That has to go over top so it almost creates a flush mount. Then we got our cap, that goes on last. Then we got this rubber spacer here. Now this goes between the body and the flare. So, something like this. Put that in like that. Line up your hole. Then you screw it in. You don't want it to be too tight because you still want to be able to wiggle this thing around a little bit. Once you get them all in, put your cap on there, snap it in place, you're all done. Time to go wheeling. Now something very important to notice whenever you put your lens back in, it comes with smaller screws. Because if you try to use these other screws like this, it's going to break that lens, and you don't want to do that. So make sure you grab the skinnier screws that it comes with and use them to put your lens in with. Ouch! One down, 3 more to go. Broke another bit, sons of bitches. Well, there it is. New fenders are on, new flares are on. One thing you gotta be careful is don't over tighten your lights or you'll crack it just like that. But, I mean, all in all, it looks a lot better. Duration, couple hours. Pain in the ass, yeah, most of the time. But it looks good. It's them wheels are going to definitely throw some stuff up, so it's going to protect the paint, protect the body a lot better. Don't look too bad. I like it. A lot of people are going with the flat ones. I like these ones. I think they catch more garbage. Flat ones do look good, don't get me wrong. Well, there you have it. That was another episode of working on the YJ. Next time, I think I might put them headlights in. I still got to figure out them wipers though, because in the off position, you see where they sit. So I got the headlights to do yet. Got the new tail lights to put on yet. Not today. I'm tired. And I'm hungry. Time to go eat. All right. See you next time.